Question number
14 second part.
Question number 14. Hey, we will talk with the first one now. First is what?
So first was the class mark of a distributing
Class mark is
94.
class mark. Okay, that is different.
Yes, sir, that is different one.
Okay, so come to second. So what are class mark?
9.5,
Class mark are 9.5,
16.5,
16.5,
23.5,
23.5,
30.5,
30.5,
yes, sir, 37.5
37.5
and 44.5.
and 44.5.
0.5. Remind the class size.
So what is the difference between these two? This is difference is equal to 7. Huh? Here is also difference is 7.
Yes, sir.
This is also 7. Huh? This is also 7. And this is also 7. So difference is difference is 7, right? So it means if lower limit is equal to x and upper limit is equal to x plus 7, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So class mark is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. This is the formula for getting class mark. You have 9.5. So 9.5 into 2 is equal to upper limit is x plus 7 plus x, right? So क्या हो गया? It's 18 is equal to 2x plus 7. 7 goes here. It becomes how much? 18 minus 7 is equal to 2x. It becomes 11x. 11 upon 2x. Oh. So x is equal to 5.5. So lower limit is the upper limit x plus 7 5.5 plus 7, it becomes 12.5. 5.5 7.5, sorry, 12.5.5 12.5. When you add this, so you get 18 and divided by 2 becomes, you will get the same 9.5. So what do you get? For this you have 5.5 to 12.5. Now we have 12.5 plus 7. So it is 19.5. 19.5 to how much? 26.5. 26.5 to 33.5. 33.5 to 40.5. Huh? And 40.5 to 47.5. So what you want?
So the determine the class size and the class limit of third class.
So this is third class. Class size is 7. Class size is equal to 7. And third class is 19.5 to 26.5. You get this? Check your answer. This is
Lower limit is equals to 20 and upper limit is equals to 27. It is there that lower limit is equals to 20, upper limit is equal to 27.
class size is how much?
Class size is mentioned here for 7.
What is the
7.
आंसर में कितना है?
So 7.
Class
7 comma lower limit is equals to 20 and upper limit is 27.
Oh, yeah, wrong. Oh shit. You people are also not concentrating. This is here up to, it is here up to correct. Right? Now class mark is
7.
if I say 9.5 is equal to x plus 7 plus x upon 2. Cross multiply, it is 19 is equal to 2x plus 7. इधर लाएंगे तो it is 12 is equal to 2x. So it is 6. So x is equal to 6. So x plus 7 is equal to 13. So lower limit is 6 and upper limit is 13. Right? So when we do this here, Can you tell me this again?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
9.5,
9.5,
16.5,
16.5,
23.5,
23.5,
30.5,
30.5,
37.5,
37.5,
44.5,
44.5.
0.5.
अब मैंने कहा यहाँ पे फर्स्ट इज 6 to 13, 6 to 13. So here is 13 plus 7. It is 20. Now 20 plus 7 is 27. Now 27 is 34. 34 to 7, 41. And 41 is 40. This is 7. There is difference of 7. Difference is 7. And third class size is, third class is, this is. This we have third class, that is 20 to 27, right? So this is we called it lower limit and upper limit. You get this?
Yes, sir.
One silly mistake I made in calculation, right? Because of that the whole process goes wrong. We have to do it like this. Now it is correct?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Now what it is?
19.3.
19.3. There is bar graph. Bar graph x intersect x axis is independent. Independent. And y axis is depend upon frequency. Depend upon frequency. Right? Like if you have, this is x, this is y axis, and this is x axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Say, this is. So if you go यहाँ पे y axis पे, y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students, right? और x axis पे half centimeter is equal to 1 object. right? So there are, say, 10 students play cricket. Ten students play cricket, right? Five students play table tennis, TT, right? Fifteen students play hockey, right? और और say 10 students play 10 students play football. This is we have bar graph. This is we have bar graph. Okay. Now we have histogram. Histogram. Hello. Histogram. X-axis depend upon X-axis depend upon depend on class size. X-axis depend upon class size और Y-axis depends upon frequency. Depend upon frequency. Depend upon frequency. Right? So this is the air. Now if we draw a graph, so this is like this.
अगर आपका बच्चा सिर्फ मार्क्स ला रहा है और कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ रहा है तो ऑनेस्टली
This is y-axis. Y-axis and x-axis. X-axis. Right? So this is y-axis. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks. Right? और x-axis
देखो रास्ते से गुजरते हुए ये लड़की अपने आप को शीशे में दिखती है तो इसे वहां पर कुछ और ही
1 centimeter is equal to
अपनी दोस्त को शीशे के पास जाने के लिए बोलती है ये लड़की भी जैसे ही जाती है इसीलिए वहां पर
what?
ये दिखाई देता है जिसको देखकर ये भी डरती
No,
है फिर अपनी बेटी को
it's
वहां पर जाने के लिए बोलती है ये छोटी बच्ची बिना डरे डांस करते हुए जैसे ही जाती है तो शीशे के अंदर भी कोई आदमी डांस करने
Two
लगता है इसे देखकर
students.
सभी ने लाइक देखो रास्ते से
2 is sorry, we take y-axis 5 students. 5 students. Right? 5 students. And here is on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks.
ये है 9, ये
Right, x-axis पे we have 10 marks. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. This is, and then we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
ये आदमी ब्रिज के ऊपर
Get
खड़ा
it?
होकर नीचे से गुजरती गाड़ियों पर
You get this?
पानी डाल रहा था। पहले जब एक
Now?
सफेद कार आई तो उसने जैसे ही पानी गिराना चाहा उससे
अभी
पहले
क्या
एक
है?
कार आगे निकल गई और उसकी बोतल का
0 to 10 के बीच में
हो गया। फिर एक हरी कार आती दिखी, लेकिन जब ड्राइवर ने
There
सड़क
are,
पर पानी देखा तो उसने कार रोक ली। कुछ सेकंड बाद जब
say,
कार फिर
5
से मुड़ी,
students.
इस बार आदमी ने टाइमिंग एकदम सही पकड़ी और पानी सीधे कार
0 to 10, there are 5 students.
कोई बाहर निकलने लगा। ये आदमी ब्रिज के ऊपर
right? And 10 to 20 there are
बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है क्योंकि वो सो जाके ऐसे गिरने लगते हैं
15
और आगे
students.
खड़े करने से ऐसे लग भी जाते हैं। इसलिए मैंने
Right.
मंगाया ये दो सेफ्टी एक्सेसरीज।
And 20 to 30
इसकी हुक को स्कूटी के आगे फिक्स करना है।
there are
सीट को इसके ऊपर
हाँ,
प्लेस
20 to 30 there are 20 students.
बच्चों को बैठा के आराम से लेके
20 students. 30 to 40
नेक्स्ट है ये किड्स सेफ्टी बेल्ट
10 students.
बच्चों को पहना के इसकी बेल्ट को
And 40 to 50 again we get 5 students. Right? This is called histogram. Right? And if we increase it up to this side, 5 unit here, this is minus 10 and this is 60. Okay? So we make class mark of this 5, 15, 25, 55, 45, 55. Right? So this is minus 5. So we add these. We add these like this, 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 and this is right. This blue one is, this is frequency distribution. This is called, this one is, black one is called, this is called histogram. This is histogram. Right? This is histogram and this is frequency polygon. This is frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. You get it? So frequency polygon and histogram we can make like this. Right?
Yes.
It's to bar graph, histogram, frequency polygon. I hope you understand.